This time, we're doing my Subway Surfers. But right here, I got my Amazon ready. If I don't do it in between, let's say 4 tries. Nah. That's a little bit too easy. Let's say 3 tries. Alright, and I cannot revive myself at all. That sound good? Okay, hopefully it does, because we're doing it anyway. Before, do you know the sound? Yeah, because there's nothing. Welcome back! I don't know why, I'm just feeling really excited this video. Because I think I'm actually going to be able to hit 50,000 without showing a search. I just missed it. Alright, let's go. Yeah. What is mentally wrong with me? Wee. So you know the drill. The first 2 I go through. The second one is usually me just goofing off. The first one is me actually trying, and then the third one, I basically skip the whole thing and show you if I die or not, or when I die. So yeah, let's do this. You gotta watch me through this, though. Yo, what the frick was that? Bro, just short-circuited? Beat your high score 1 time. I think I can do that. Because my high score is literally right before 50,000. I'm trying to beat 50. What the f? You can't jump once once you're dead. Oh, dang. What is that sound? What kind of shoes sound like that? If my shoes sound like that, I'm getting new shoes, bro. That's little SpongeBob shoes right there, dude. I passed 10,000 real quick. Ah! Get away! Ah! I'm planning on making a Subway Surfer video every time a new update drops. Let's just get... What was that? Okay. Good thing I'm in a good mood, or else I would have yelled, "Why?" Yeah, that's what I'm thinking in my head. Okay. Yep, go ahead and skip. Hey, didn't go to that. Yo, freaky. Or tricky, not freaky. What the freak did I mean by that? I'm getting a little saucy. Yo, you missed my... I'm calling 911. Alright, I was really gonna score multiply, though. Alright, score multiply is better than nothing. Might actually cook this video. Alright. I saved up some score multipliers. I trained. My high score is still the same from last video. But 4 big guns. Alright, let's go. Alright. Time to focus. I'm hearing, focus on your family. That was a purposely fully voice crack. I'm not actually hitting my gross cracks. Oh Jesus! Alright. No. I'm not trying to give myself a concussion here. Go! Get out of here, trains. I don't love you anymore. Actually, I love trains. Trains are like one of my favorite things, so. Yeah, I love you, train, but I can't wait. Oh, shoot, I wasn't paying attention. I was ran into that train. Oh, yes, sir. Easy mission right there, boy. Hold on. Oh, wait, there is no coin mission. Frick. Oh, that's a mission. And then I have to beat my high score. The chat! Okay, I thought that pole was actually visible for a second right there. I was about to crash up, in, out, side to side. Let's not run into a train this time, right? Come on. It's so close, Oh, Yes! Okay, I thought I didn't hit. I thought I was like 499. Okay, I'm good. Holy crap. I'm so scared. I'm not that scared, actually. And now it's time to mess around and find out. Hi. I'm gonna simulate the real life story. Ooh, I'm painting on the train. Oh, I'm gonna skate on my skateboard. Wee, I'm skating. Oh God, I died. That's the real story.
So I was
Search
playing
it up.
Idle Egg Factory, and I noticed that one of the eggs on my conveyor...
I guess I accidentally did an ad because I'm restarting. I don't even remember pressing the ad. I remember trying to click off, but... Do I look like I'm complaining? Wait, oh shoot. I thought I was cooked for a second. I was like, oh God, I'm dead. Yeah. Boom. Yo, what the frick? What happened to the... What? I love how in most of my videos, I actually crash out sometimes with Zach in the background, but I'm playing Subway Surfers, I'm actually kind of calm. Like, jumpy shoes! Oh, jumpy shoes! Okay, all done. Well, see you guys tomorrow. I don't have to expose my search history on this, which is really good because of some really bad stuff from when I was 5.